Reading.
What's your favorite book?
I love Pride and Prejudice.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
How often do you play?
I play twice a week.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What's your morning routine?
I exercise and then have breakfast.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite travel destination?
I love visiting Japan.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
How often do you swim?
I swim 3 times a week.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why do you like blue?
It feels calm and peaceful.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.